Hello everyone. So my name is Mehdi, known as the Condor. So I'm back. I had this channel for 10 years now. I'm back. So sorry about that. Now I'm gonna post really nice tutorials about 3D tips, animation, free products. So today I'm gonna show you how to fix your transition screen. So by default, you will have like fade or maybe cut. So we have here, like as you see, it's duration. Okay. So as you can see how this will transition between the scenes. So let's say you have a pre-made transition you bought or you download for free or something. It will have something else, like different duration. So for example, I'm gonna go ahead and op- um, open my let's open this panel property. So you're gonna choose Stinger and then go here, this three dots, and then properties. Now you're going to see this panel. So uh, like this, the duration is 0. So for example, I'm gonna browse my transition screen. So here I have one with sound, no sound, low sound. So I'm gonna, for this example, I'm gonna use anyone. Just use anything hit there. So if I hit, if I, click preview, you see how it's trends really fast. So I'm gonna go ahead here and change duration to 100 and see preview. It's still fast. So let's do like 1000 and then see. It's depend on each transition screen. So you have to know that you have to play with this preview. Now it's still it's really fast. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 1600. Now preview A, full screen, and then B. This works. So this is how you fix your transition screen. So I'm gonna hit OK, and then now I'm gonna go between this. So I'm gonna go from starting screen to the ending. For example, this is a client work, a 3D package environment. There is no AI or something, fully custom work, 3D. So later I'm gonna show you something about the tutorials for 3D animation and stuff. So now I'm gonna transition from the starting screen to the ending. I'm gonna click ending, transition screen, full screen, and then ending. Here it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and starting now, starting soon. So ending, full screen, and then boom. So here's how you fix your transition screen. So please, if you like this video, like, subscribe, and then if you want this transition screen, just go to my website, which is this one. I update the website. It's really clean now, fast. So for example, I have this 3D. This really it's fully 3D custom work, and then I sell for really nice prices. So here's the transition screen we use in this video. So A and then B. So this is how you fix it if you have that problem in your when you stream. So yeah, and then I have also this pre-made page, which is here custom work. Here's my client. So and here's you will see my work, and then if you hit this, will you pop up to my Behance portfolio. So if you have any question or anything, just feel free to follow me on Instagram, X, like Twitter, and if you have any question, I'm here. So thank you so much. See you in the next video, and bye.